Well, I have a couple very simple mods that came in from Vet Lights. I have a super bright LED Glovebox light and super bright LED license plate lights. They also sent me this really cool decal and a cool bottle opener keychain. Let's go see how these look on the car. The LED license plate lights now look bright white instead of yellow and dingy, and they actually brighten up the license plate. Oh yeah, I almost forgot about the Glovebox light. Let's check it out. Look how bright that is, amazing. And yes, somewhere in the middle of this video, I installed a new stereo. I'll put that in a different video though.